Hey there, fellow food enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of gourmet cooking with a twist, a game-changing appliance that's about to revolutionize your kitchen. Introducing the instant electric round Dutch oven, a 6-quart powerhouse of culinary excellence that's here to take your cooking to the next level. If you're ready to elevate your cooking game, stay tuned. Let's start with the basics. The instant electric round Dutch oven isn't your average kitchen tool. It's a versatile 5-in-1 wonder. You can braise, slow cook, sear, or sauté, use it as a cooking pan, and even as a food warmer. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for cooking right on your countertop. This kitchen marvel isn't just functional, it's elegant and versatile. Now, let's talk precision. Unlike traditional stovetop cooking, this Dutch oven allows you to have precise control over temperature and cooking time. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to perfectly cooked meals every time. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, precision cooking is at your fingertips. The instant electric round Dutch oven is built to impress. Crafted from heavy-duty enameled cast iron, it's not only stunning but also incredibly durable. You can use it in the oven or on the stovetop, and it looks so good that it can grace your dining table, too. It's the perfect blend of form and function. One of the standout features is the matching lid with a self-braising grid on the underside. This ingenious design ensures that your food stays evenly moist and tender throughout the cooking process. Imagine succulent, mouth-watering dishes that are sure to impress even the most discerning food critics. Cooking for a crowd? No problem. The 6-quart capacity of this Dutch oven allows you to whip up enough servings to satisfy your family, friends, or guests. It's perfect for meal prepping, entertaining, and those cozy family dinners. Now, I know what you're thinking. Cleaning up after gourmet cooking can be a hassle. But not with this Dutch oven. Both the cooking pot and the lid are dishwasher safe, making cleanup an absolute breeze. You can focus on enjoying your meal without dreading the cleanup afterward. Safety and convenience are paramount. The instant electric round Dutch oven comes with a silicone protective pad to safeguard your surfaces and silicone handle covers for serving. You can seamlessly transition from cooking to serving without a hitch. Still craving more culinary inspiration? The package includes access to the free Instant Brands Connect app, available for iOS and Android. It's your culinary sidekick, offering a treasure trove of new recipes to create quick favorites and prepare delicious meals. Say goodbye to cooking ruts and hello to endless culinary possibilities. In conclusion, the instant electric round Dutch oven is a culinary game changer. Its 5-in-1 functionality, precision cooking, elegant design, and easy cleanup make it an indispensable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a gourmet chef or just looking to impress your loved ones with mouth-watering dishes, this Dutch oven has you covered. So, why wait? Elevate your cooking and dining experience with the instant electric round Dutch oven. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.